Hey legacy traders, it's Tim with Option Legacy, helping you build a legacy through trading. Hey guys, I am hosting an exclusive webinar for you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to be sharing with you my 3 secrets that I use every day to see the type of results that I get in trading. And today is yet another green day. We are up today 33% return on investment, and we closed out September with 51% portfolio growth. So come and join the webinar. You can get access to it by going to optionlegacy.com, register for the webinar, and I'll see you in there. But till then, let's hop into my broker platform and share with transparency what's happening. I don't have much going on over here. I just have 2 trades, and it's one of them's going wildly against me, but yet we're expecting to recoup most of this lost capital. We need this to stay under 150 or 160. So let's go to VMW and check out its expected move range for over the next 17 days. Its expected move range is $6. So it could move up by $6.14, which would just put it just over 160. But we know most of the time the expected move range is based off implied volatility, and implied volatility is overestimated 80% of the time. It's the only thing that can be wrong that consistently and stay in the game. It's kind of like a weatherman. So it's still looking good for us there. UNH, it popped just like we thought it would. So yesterday we entered into this thing, lost about 24 bucks through slippage of the bid and ask spread. Hey, Will Gordon, I see you there. And then today it popped. So let's go look at it in the charts. We entered into this thing yesterday based off of stochastics, RSI, and then MACD, and expecting this thing to come up off the bottom of the channel and move to the upside. And look at what it did today. And these two combined leave us with an unrealized profit of 168 bucks. And you can see over here on this cost column with transparency, this is how much each trade cost me. So I think this is 502 bucks collectively, and today we have an unrealized gain of 168 bucks, and we're expecting to hold on through it. So let's go check out what's happening in the overall markets, and then we'll call this thing quits. So this is the SPY, which is the ETF of the S&P 500. And we had a little bit of a sell-off. It had a high peak. It came up to this high end of the needle here, to the candle wick, and then it came back down and it sold off, and it tried to sell off even more. But this is still good. All the indicators, RSI is ticking up, fast stochastics is bullish, slow stochastics is coming up, and MACD is even still showing weakness, and it's got room to grow to the upside. You can see with that, let's see if I can do this. You can see with that resistance to the upside. So it's still looking good. So guys, that's what I got for you. It was a green day, 168 bucks. I did this. I literally didn't do any work today. I put this on yesterday, but I'm getting paid today. That's the power of trading options. So again, guys, come and join the exclusive webinar I'm going to be hosting tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to share with you my 3 secrets of how to control over $20,000 worth of stock for just a few dollars, the exact indicators that I use to grow my portfolio consistently, and then how to trade in up, down, and even sideways markets with options so that you can make money no matter what's happening. So till then, I'll see you on the other side. Let's build that legacy.